वेदांत परिभाषा, पेज नंबर 214। मूलम अतएव प्रतर्दनादि प्रतर्दनाधिकरणे प्रतर्दनं प्रति प्राणोस्मि प्रज्ञात्मा तम माम आयुरमृतम उपास्व इति इंद्र प्रोक्त वाक्ये प्राण शब्दस्य ब्रह्मपरत्वे निश्चिते सति माम उपास्व इति अस्मत् शब्दानुपपत्तिम आशंक्य तद उत्तरत्वेन प्रवृत्ते शास्त्रदृष्ट्या तु उपदेशो वामदेववत् इति अत्र सूत्रे शास्त्रीया दृष्टिः शास्त्रदृष्टिरिति नॉट वीरिति शास्त्रदृष्टिरिति तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यजन्यम अहम ब्रह्मेति ज्ञानम दृष्टिशब्देन उक्तमिति। दिस इज विवरण मत। अकॉर्डिंग टू विवरण मत, प्रमेय विशेष निबंधनम is संविद अपरोक्ष निबंधनम। संविद अपरोक्ष ज्ञानम, in that karana vishesha is not the moola karanam but prameya. Prameya is aparoksha, therefore jnanam will be aparoksha. Prameya vishesha nibandhanam. And Tikakar said this is supported by Bhagavan Bhashyakar's Bhashya, Sutrastham Bhashyam Pramanam. So what is the adhikarana? That is explained now. Pratardana adhikarana, it will come in Prathama Adhyaya, Prathama Pada itself. Pratardana, I am not going to elaborate on the story, but this king, he goes to Indra and Indra gives him Upadesha. Upadesha is Pranosmi, I am Prana, Prajnatma, Tam Mam Ayuhu Amritam Upasva. To that me who is Prajnatma, you worship me as Ayuhu and Amritam for long life and immortality. This is what Indra told Pratardana. Iti Indra Prokta Vakye Prana Shabdasya Brahma Paratve. So Indra Prokta Vakya, in that Pranosmi it is said. What is Prana Shabda? Prana Shabda is Brahma. See Tika. अतएव शब्दजन्य ज्ञानस्य अपरोक्षत्वात्. शब्दजन्य ज्ञान is अपरोक्ष ज्ञान. प्रतर्दन अधिकरणे, in प्रतर्दन अधिकरण प्राणस्तथा, in टीका प्राणस्तथा अनुगमात्. This is Sutra 1128. This is from where it begins. Pranaha. Pranaha means Brahma is Prana. This is Samanvaya Adhyaya. Samanvaya of all these is in Brahma. Prana is also referring to Brahma. Why? Tatha Anugamat. Because there is Anugama after Prana Shabda, Prajnatma is there, and then other things are there in the Kaushitaki Upanishad. Ityasmin Pranosmi Ityadi Yad Vishaya Vakyam. Pranosmi Ityadi Yad Vishaya Vakyam Tasmin, in that तत्र विषय संशय पूर्वपक्ष समाधान फलाख्य पंचांगानि अस्य अधिकरण फलाख्य पंचांगानि पंचांग न्याय नकार in that. पंचांग न्याय न्याय अस्य So there is some correction there. It should be Panchanga Nyayasya Adhikaran iti or Adhikarana. Panchanga Nyayasya Adhikarana. Panchanga Nyaya. That sakara is wrong in between. Panchanga Nyayasya Adhikarana. Iti Sanya. Sya is extra. And in the Moolam on the previous, on this page, third line, Shastriya Drishti hi Shastra Drishti Riti. V Riti, V is extra. This is wrong. V is not needed. So here the Adhikarana, 5 angas are given. Vishaya, Samshaya, Purvapaksha, Samadhanam means Uttarapaksha, and Phala. Panchanga Nyaya is Adhikarana. Instead of Sangati, they have given Phalam. Phalam will be what is Samadhanam, that is the Phalam. Pratardano havai daivo dasihi indrasya priyam dhama upajagama yuddhena cha paurushena cha. Some story is already given here in Tika. Pratardana was a Raja. He was daivo dasihi. Daivo dasihi devadasasya apatyam daivo dasihi. There is a sutra ata iya. Ata iya. तस्यापत्यम अस्मिन् अर्थे अदन्तेभ्यः प्रातिपदिकेभ्यः इय प्रत्यय भवति. So devadasah, devadasa is adanta pratipadika, so it will get iya pratyaya. Divodasasya apatyam daivodasi. Divadasa, not devada. Divodasasya apatyam daivodasi. So he goes to Indra for Yuddha. Indrasya priyam dhama, in Swarga, in Indra's kingdom he goes. Upajagama, for Yuddhena cha paurushena cha, for Yuddha paurusham. Ityasyam kaushitaki brahmanopanishadamnat akhyayikayam. Kaushitaki brahmanopanishad amnat akhyayikayam. Pranosmi ityadi shruyamanam vakyam vishayah. So Adhikarana he is setting up now. What is the Vishaya? Pranosmi. This Vakya means Pranosmi, Prajnatma, etc. This is the Vishaya Vakya of Adhikarana. What is the Samshaya? Tatra Prana Shabdena kim Vayur Abhipretaha kim va Indra uta Jiva ahosvit Paramatma iti Samshaya. 4 Vikalpas are there for Prana. Prana can be Vayu, Prana Vayu, or Indra, because he says, I am Prana. So I am Prana, Prana refers to Indra, or Jiva, because Sukshma Sharira Pradhanata is there in Jiva. So Prana is Sukshma Sharira Avayava. So Jiva or Paramatma, ahosvit Paramatma iti Samshaya. So Purva Paksha says it can be first 3. It can be Vayu, it can be Indra or Jiva, but not Paramatma. Vaivadi hi abhipreta iti Purva Paksha. Paramatma iti Siddhanta. So Siddhanta Paksha says no, it is Paramatma. Vaivadi upasanam Purva Pakshe phalam. Paramatma upasanam Uttar Pakshe. Vaivadi upasanam is Purva Pakshe phalam. And Paramatma upasanam is Uttar Pakshe phalam. So Purva Paksha says that mantra refers to Vayu Upasana or Indra Upasana or Jiva Upasana means Aham Upasana. And Siddhanta says no. It is Paramatma Upasanam means Paramatma Jnanam. Pranaha Paramatma. Why do you say that? Tatha Anugamat, because that Sutra 1128 Sutra said, Tatha Anugamat. पौर्वा पर्यालोचनया वाक्यस्य तत्परत्व अवगमात् इति प्राण शब्दस्य ब्रह्म परत्वे निश्चिते सति. So if you see Paurvaparya in that Upanishad, then you understand this has to be only Brahma. Prana Shabda should refer to Brahma. Once that Nishya is done, Prana Shabdasya Brahma Paratve Nishchite Sati, Mam ityasmat Shabdanupapattim Ashankya. Mam Pratipadika is Asmat, but here Mam cannot be Asmat, means Indra. So Mam iti Asmat Shabda Anupapattim Ashankya. Once this is clear that Indra Upasana will not give the phalam which is given here. That mantra says, for Ayuhu and Amrutam, you do my Upasana, Prana, Prajnatma. So that cannot be true for Indra. Therefore, इति आशंक्य तद उत्तरत्वेन प्रवृत्ते यथा शास्त्र दृष्ट्या अहम सूर्यो अभवम अहम मनुः इति वामदेवस्य गर्भस्थस्य मुनेः उक्तिः तथा शास्त्र दृष्ट्या माम इति इंद्रोपदेशो अपि इत्यर्थक सूत्रे इत्यर्थः. So just as, because the sutra said शास्त्र दृष्टया तु उपदेशो वामदेववत् 1131 Brahma Sutra. So Vamadeva, how Vamadeva through Shastra Drishti. Shastra Drishti means through Shastra Jnanam. In Moolam, Indra Prokta Vakye Prana Shabdasya Brahma Paratve. Indra Prokta Vakya, in that Prana refers to Brahma. This Nishchaya, when it is done, Nishchite Sati. Mam upasva iti asmat shabdanupapattim ashankya tad uttaratvena pravrutte. So mam upasva, you do my upasana. So there is asmat shabda. Asmat shabda is anupapanna. It cannot be Indra here. Anupapattim ashankya, the uttaratvena 1131 sutra comes. तदुत्तरत्वेन प्रवृत्ते शास्त्र दृष्ट्या तु उपदेशो वामदेववत् इति अत्र सूत्रे. इन दिस सूत्र शास्त्रीय दृष्टि ही शास्त्र दृष्टि. शास्त्र दृष्टि इज ज्ञान. सो शास्त्र दृष्ट्या तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यजन्यम अहम ब्रह्म इति ज्ञानम. दिस इज कॉल्ड दृष्टि. दृष्टि शब्द refers to तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यजन्य अहम ब्रह्म, दिस ज्ञानम. दृष्टि शब्देन उक्तम. So how, just as Rishi Vamadev also had Shastra Tika, second last line, Yatha Shastra Drishtya Aham Suryo Abhavam Aham Manuhu. So Aham Manurabhavam Suryascheti. That is the mantra 1410. Brahadaranyaka. Iti Vamadevasya Garbhasthasya Munehe Uktihi. Rishi Vamadeva in Garbha alone got this Jnanam. Ukti Tatha. In the same way, Shastra Drishtya, Mam. So when Rishi Vamade said, I am Surya, I am Manu, that I cannot refer to Asmat. I should refer to Brahma. Because Brahma is Surya, Brahma is Manu, Brahma is all. In the same way, when Indra said, my upasana you do, so that me has to refer to Brahma. This is Shastra Drishti. Shastra Drishtya, Mam iti Indropadesho api ityarthaka sutre. In this sutra, Prana, Pranastatha Anugamat. So in that sutra, Mam actually is there in the mantra, Kaushitaki mantra, Pranosmi Pragnatma Tam Mam Ayur Amruta. But that is the Vishaya Vakya. So in sutra means in the Vishaya Vakya, you should understand me as Brahma. How a jnani will say, Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattvavita. So when he says Naiva kinchit karomi, which aham he is referring to? Yeah, Brahma. That is what he is referring to. So in this way, according to Vivarana Mata, the Aparoksha Jnanam is what is required. Aparoksha Jnanam will take place through Vakya. Upanishad Vakya will give, Mahavakya will give Aparoksha Jnanam. So Pratardhana also should understand how Indra understood I am Brahma. In that way, Pratardhana Raja also should understand, oh, I am Brahma in this way. Now the other acharyas in Tika. Atha acharya vachaspati mishranam ashayam avishkaroti. Now what is the matam of acharya vachaspati mishra? That is given, avishkaroti. Anyesham tu ayam ashaya. Anyesham acharyanam ayam ashaya. Karana vishesha nibandhanam eva jnananam pratyakshatvam. Jnananam pratyakshatvam is karana vishesha nibandhanam. Na vishaya vishesha nibandhanam. Karana vishesha. Antakarana is mukhya karanam for jnana utpatti. And Mahavakya is there. Mahavakya, they say, is apradhanam, it is gaunam. Why do you say like that? So he says, ekasminneva sukshma vastuni patukarana yoho pratyakshatva vyavahara darshanat. Vachaspati Mishra ji is a big name to write commentary on Brahma Sutra Bhashya, and he has written Tika on all darshanas. He is a Tikakara. Sankhya, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Mimamsa, all darshanas he has written Tika. According to them, ekasmin vastuni, in, let's say there is one thing, and it is very sukshma, subtle. But if different people have to know it, those who have very sharp karana, whether that karana is indriya or antakarana, they will have pratyaksha jnanam. And those who have apatu karana, those whose karanas are not that sharp, sukshma, they will not get the jnanam. They will have apratyakshatva. Apratyakshatva means either they will not know it, not recognize it, or they will think, oh, there is some such thing, but it is not here. This is how they do vyavahara. Tika, Sukshma Vastuni means Varnadav. Some Varna Shabda, he gives Drishtanta. Indriya, further in Moolam, Tatha Cha Samvid Sakshatve Indriya Janyatvasyiva Prayojakataya Na Shabda Janya Jnanasya Aparokshatvam. Tatha Cha Samvid Sakshatve, when Samvid Sakshatkara takes place, Indriya Janyatvasyiva Prayojakataya. Indriya Janyatvam, that alone is Prayojaka. Prayojakataya. Na Shabda Janya Jnanasya Aparokshatvam. Indriya means Antakarana is also considered as Indriya by them. So Indriya Janyatvasya Prayojakatvam in what? Samvid Sakshatve means Jnana Sakshatkare. Na Shabdajanya Jnanasya Aparokshatvam. Shabdajanya Jnana is not Aparokshama. Tika. Indriyatvena Indriyajanyattvasya. Indriyajanyatvam means Indriyatvena Indriyajanyatvam. Anumiti Jnanasya Anumana Jnanam. Anumiti Jnanam requires Antakarana. It requires mind. So he says Anumiti Jnanasya Manastvena Tajanyatvat na tatra ativyaptihi. Indriyajanyatvam, he says Indriyatvena Indriyajanyatvam. Anumiti Jnanam is Manastvena Tajanyatvam. Indriyajanyatvam. Therefore, there is no Ativyapti. Indriyatvena Indriyajanyatvam and Manastvena Indriyajanyatvam. So they are different. But Anumiti Jnanam also, you should understand, in Anumiti Jnanam, Karanam is Vyapti. We saw this in Anumana Prakranam. According to us. Then, according to Prachina Nayayika, it is Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. And according to some other Nayayika, Linga Paramarsha is Anumanam. So different Acharyas have taken it differently, whether it is Linga Paramarsha as Anumanam or Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. And we say Vyapti Jnanam. So Anumiti Jnanasya Manastvena Tajanyatvat. Manastvena Indriyajanyatvat. And therefore there is no Ativyapti. Asmin Pakshe Indriyebhyaha Parahyartha iti Shrutau Indriyebhyaha iti asya Bahyendriyebhyaha ityartha. Indriyebhyaha Parahyartha Arthebhyasya Paramana. Manasastu Parabuddhihi. So therefore it is greater than इंद्रिय एंड अर्थ, दी सूक्ष्म पंचमहाभूत. मनः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि च, एतस्मात् जायते प्राणः, प्राणो मनः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि च इति श्रुतवपि सर्वाणि बाह्येन्द्रियाणि इत्यर्थः. Indriyani means bahya indriyani, because mana is separated. In Kathopanishad Shruti also, Indriya, then Artha, then Manaha. So mana is separated from Indriya in this way. If we can take this Indriya Janyatva as Drishtanta for Pratyaksha Jnanam, then it will be easier. So this Vakya you should understand this way. Tathacha Samvid in the Moolam. Samvid Sakshatve, Samvid Sakshatkare, Indriya Janyatvasyaiva Prayojakataya. Indriya Janyatvam is Prayojaka. Indriya means only Karana, Jnanendriya, not Antakarana, in Drishtanta. And that will produce Pratyaksha Jnanam. Na Shabdajanya Jnanasya Aparokshatvam. Therefore he says, Shabdajanya Jnanam will not produce Aparoksham. You hear Shabda, then you will look for it. So if Indriya, and if that Indriya is Patu, then you will get the Jnana. If Indriya is not Patu, you will not have Pratyaksha Jnanam. So then Shabda will end up with Paroksha Jnanam only. The same thing he says about Brahma also. Sakshatkarasya Indriyajanyatve Brahma Sakshatkare api mana eva karanam. So he gave Drishtanta now. Once it is established that in Sakshatkara, any Ghatadi Sakshatkara, Indriyajanyatvam is there. In the same way, in Brahma Sakshatkar also, Manah eva karanam ityaha. Brahma Sakshatkare api manana nididhyasana samskritam manah eva karanam. In Brahma Sakshatkara, manan nididhyasana samskrita, manah is karanam. So, you do Shravanam, but manan nididhyasanam will purify your mind. Samskritam. So, for Chitta Shuddhi, what should I do? If somebody has a question, the answer is clear here. For Chitta Shuddhi, more Mananam, more Nididhyasanam. Mananam means Shastriya Mananam, not Mananam about people, Mananam about other things, food, etc. Shastra Mananam, Brahma Chintanam. And they have Shruti Pramanam, Manasa eva anudrashtavyaha, Manasai vedam aptavyam, Nehana nasti kinchana. Then, what is there after that? Can you hear me or not? Yes?
You can hear some.
Yes.
This is Kathopanishad mantra. Mrityo samrityum apnoti ya iha naneva pashyati. So, it says mind alone is the instrument. Manasa eva idam aptavyam. This uddharan that is given is Brahadaranyaka. Manasa eva anudrashtavyam. Adrashtavyaha. And in Kathopanishad also it is said, Esha sarveshu bhuteshu gudhotmana prakashate. Then
दृश्यते त्वया बुद्ध्या
then
सूक्ष्मया सूक्ष्मदर्शिभिः.
so sukshmaya agreya buddhya. So he says there is Karana in this mantra, in Manasaya Vedamaptam, etc. He says otherwise you cannot know, but Sukshma Buddhi, Agra Buddhi, Samskrita Buddhi, by that you can know. So what is Upanishad saying? Upanishad says mind, Samskrita Manaha is the Karana. This mantra is referring to that. Ityadi Shrute hai. Tika. Oh, they have given. They have given the right quotation. Tikakar Sarvada Tadapattim Ashankya Aha. Sarvada Tadapattim means Brahma Sakshatkar will happen all the time, means for anybody. He said no. Manana Nididhyasana Samskritam Manaha. Tatra Pramanam Aha Manasaivedam. Drishyate Tvagreya Buddhya. Ityadya Shrutihi Adi Padadeya. And this is what we should do. Whenever they say Iti Adi Shruti, Adi means some other Shruti we also should find. In Mundaka also there is some such Shruti later, Mundaka or Katha. So they all will say that you need Hrida Manisha Manasa Abhikrupta. Manasa Abhikrupta. So Manasa Mana is in Karana Vibhakti. Nanu yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasasah ityadi shrutehe kagatihi. There also you can say na tatra chakshur gacchati na vag gacchati no manaha. So such all shrutis they say through mind you cannot know. Ityadi shrutehe kagatir ityashankya manaha mano agamyatva shrutischa asamskrita mano vishaya. When Shruti says it is mano agamya, it is referring to asamskrita mana. And when the Shruti says it is manogamya, it is samskrita mana. Samskrita mana is the mind which does significant mananam nididhyasanam. That is samskrita mana. So when you study Brahma Sutra or Upanishads with Bhashya, Bhashya Tika, that is mananam. Because all questions are raised. And granthas like whether it is Upadeshahasri or Naishkarmya Siddhi or Siddhanta Bindu, so much mananam Acharya have done. If we actually properly study, we don't have time to think about other things. The mind will be focused. That focused mind on Brahma is called Chitta Shuddhi. Those who are not into Vedanta Shravanadi, for them, Tirtha Yatra and Japa and Puja, and they are the means for Chitta Shuddhi. Those who have Guru Shastra Sampradaya, those who are able to study some Vyakarana, Nyaya, Mimamsa, they are able to understand how to do Shastra Nirnaya, Vakya Nirnaya, Tatparya Nirnaya. For them, this is the means of Chitta Shuddhi. You take the book and sit down and dwell on it. If somebody is not able to do all of these, for them bhajan, kirtan and other means are given. Samskritam mana, so when it is given in Upanishad also, drishyate tu agriya buddhya, sukshmaya, that buddhi will become sukshma only in this way. Sukshma buddhi means I am able to see two ahams. Aham as pramata, aham as kutastha, chaitanya. Two, I should be able to see. This is called sukshma buddhi. Sukshma buddhi means not, oh, let me find out what this person is doing. Let me find out about this, that. It is a waste of time. Do I see two eyes? Two eyes means two aham, dva suparna. Two birds are in this one tree. One is eating fruits, another is anyaha, anashnan, avichakashiti. That. This is sukshma buddhi. If I am able to pay attention to two aham here, one is satya, another is mithya. Between them there is adhyasa. Because of adhyasa, kartrutva, bhoktrutva, I see in myself. This is person who has this ability is Shuddha Antakarana, Sukshma Buddhi. This will not happen suddenly or by accident. One day you wake up and suddenly you see two aham. We have to go on doing this chintana. It is a blessing if a person is able to think of this day and night. And it is very rare. Means we should not lose the sight of why we have chosen this path. So asamskrita mana will not be able to know. Obviously, asamskrita mana, where is he? Asamskrita mana is not going to see two aham. Asamskrita mana is only going to see two or more idam. There is no attention on aham. All they will be doing is this only. ननु तन्त्वौपनिषदं पुरुषं पृच्छामि इति श्रुति बोधितम् उपनिषन्मात्र गम्यत्वं विरुद्धम् इति आशंक्य परिहरति. तन्त्वौपनिषदं पुरुषं पृच्छामि in Brihadaranyaka with Shakalya, Yajnavalkya Shakalya Samvada. Shruti bodhitam Upanishad mantra matra gamyatvam. So according to this mantra it is said, Brahma is known only through Shruti. You are saying Brahma will be known through Antakarana, Samskrita Antakarana. This is Virodha. Iti ashankya pariharati. Nacha evam Brahmana Aupanishadattva Anupapattihi. We don't say Brahma is not known through Upanishad. This is Bhamatikara Matam. Brahma is still Upanishad Brahma only. Then Asmad Ukta Manaso Vedajanya Jnana Nantaram Eva Pravrittataya Veda Upajivitvat. It is still Veda Upajivi. Asmad Ukta Manaso वेदजन्य ज्ञानानन्तरम् एव प्रवृत्ततया. After Veda Jnanam is imparted, then only mind is going to know Brahma. If we bypass Veda and only through mind, if we say it will be known, then you can say we are doing Shruti Virodha. But we are not saying that. Asmad Uktamana is Veda Janya Jnana Anantaram Eva Pravritta. After Veda Janya Jnanam through Shravanam, then only it is Pravritta, and therefore it is Veda Upajivi, Veda Ashrita. In Tika, there is big some discussion is there. We will see that later. We'll just see one more sentence in the Moolam. Vedonupajivi manantara gamyatvasaiva veda gamyatva virodhitvat. Veda anupajivi. If a vakya is not Veda upajivi, Veda anupajivi, manantara gamyatvasya, and known through manantara gamyatvasaiva Veda gamyatva virodhitvat. But Brahma is not manantara gamya. It is Veda gamya only. But Veda will give the Upadesha, then Samskritam Mana, through Mana Nididhyasanam, will be able to know this. So we are not doing Nisheda of Manaha, of the Veda, of the Upanishadatvam of Brahma. So we will begin the session, following session from Tika, after Naja Pratika. After that, Kintad from there. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.